Hello everyone, I'm Kashish. I'm an intern at ubAdvocate and today I will be discussing about the Analytical School of Jurisprudence. So to start with, the jurisprudence has various schools of thoughts which have given different definitions and interpretations regarding law and its evolution. Now one such is Analytical School of Jurisprudence, also famously known as Austinian School of Jurisprudence. Now, John Austin was a famous legal scholar who confined his studies toward the positive law. He basically aimed at distinguishing positive law from positive morality. Now, according to John Austin, there are four attributes that must be present to constitute a law, which are command, sanction, duty, and sovereignty. A command is an expression of wish by one person to another who should oblige it. Now, according to Austin, the command must be strengthened by sanctions. Sanction is a kind of punishment or threat which is given to the person who won't oblige the command. Now, who will give this command? Thereby, Austin said that a sovereign who will have legally unlimited and indivisible powers will provide the commands, and he will acquire habitual obedience from the bulk of society. Now this society will have a duty to obey the commands given by the sovereign. However, John Austin, even after saying that these four attributes must be present to constitute a law, he gave some exceptions like explanatory or declaratory laws, law of repeals, and even laws that impose some imperfect obligations. It must be noted that this command theory of Austin was criticized by various scholars on various grounds. Like John Austin completely overlooked the importance of customs as the source of law. Secondly, he even regarded international law as mere positive morality on the ground that since international law does not provide any sanctions, thereby it cannot be called law. Thirdly, even John Austin presumed that sanctions are the only way to make someone oblige the law. However, as we may know that sanctions are not the only means to make people oblige to the commands, to the laws. It can be out of patriotism, it can be out of some sympathy or some personal interest, etc. It must be noted that even after this criticism, it can be rightly said that various other scholars eventually modified the theory of Austin, and which actually paved a way for the improvement of the subject and new legal ideologies. Thereby, I would like to end here after giving the brief of the whole Austinian theory. Thank you so much for watching and listening.